Welcome to the qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to draw a simple mechanical component in AutoCAD practice design. First of all, draw a simple side view of the model using the line tool. Now draw a circle with the C command and trim extra parts with the trim tool. You can find the trim tool in solid editing, or you can type TR. Using the join tool, join all lines together. After that, use the EXT command for extrude and extrude 50 units. Draw a rectangle with the help of the line tool on the right side view. After joining these lines, extrude it. Now subtract this model from the main object using the subtract command. After that, draw two circles with the help of the C command. Now extrude these circles and subtract them, and your simple 3D model is done. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.